Hey guys, uh, welcome to fourth lecture of module 1. In this lecture we are going to discuss on DFT and IDFT equation, defining DFT and IDFT equation. Okay, so DFT of a discrete time signal x of n is given by so we usually call it as DFT in a bracket of x of, so DFT of x of n is equal to, it is x of k, capital X of k is equal to, the formula is summation x of n. The input is x of n here and the output what we get is x of k, where n is varying from 0 to n minus 1. We are going to take totally capital N number of samples, e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn. Okay, so where k is varying from 0 to n minus 1. So this equation is called as analysis equation. So this is called as if I call it as equation 1, so equation 1 is called as analysis equation. So I have to talk about few parameter in this equation. So where what is x of k? X of k is the signal or sample. It's a samples in frequency domain. K is the index in x of k. K is the index which addresses the samples in frequency domain. Okay, so this is about x of k and k. So x of n, what is x of n? It is the input signal, and this is a signal, or it's a sample in time domain. It's a time domain signal. Okay, in time domain. And what is n? N same as k here, but it is the index which addresses the samples, samples in time domain. Okay, so k is also called as, we also call it as bin number. And what is this bin number? I will let you know later. Okay, and n, so what is capital N here? Capital N here is number of samples we take, samples, or also called as number of points. Given a sequence, we usually take 2-point DFT, 4-point DFT, 8-point DFT, so on. So this number of points is told by this capital N. Fine. So this k is an integer. Which is varying from where to where? 0 to n minus 1. And again this n is also an integer which is varying from where to where? It is varying from where to where? 0 to n minus 1. Okay. So this is about DFT equation. From where we got this equation? We already derived it, right? So in frequency domain sampling, so what was the equation we had? I'll write it here. X of 2 pi by n into k is equal to what? Summation n varying from 0 to n minus 1 x p of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into kn, where k is varying from 0 to n minus 1. So we know this equation, right? So just compare these two. So instead of writing x of 2 pi by n into k, we just normalize this 2 pi by n, and we simply we write it as x of k. Instead of writing xp of n, we are writing x of n. Basically, whatever the samples, the range of samples we take, we assume that it is a periodic signal. Okay, so this equation is actually equation for DFT, also called as analysis equation. So next we discuss equation to get inverse discrete Fourier transform, also called as IDFT. Okay, so IDFT of a signal or sequence x of k is given by we usually call it as IDFT of x of k is equal to x of n, which is equal to 1 by n, a scaling factor. Okay, so summation x of k, here input is x of k and output what we get from the equation is x of n. So k is varying from 0 to n minus 1 e power j 2 pi by n into kn. So this is actually IDFT equation. It is also called as synthesis equation. DFT equation is called as analysis equation, and this equation is called as synthesis equation. So where again, what is x of k? X of k, same as what we had in for DFT, samples in frequency domain. K is what? Index which represent samples in frequency domain, also called as pin number. What is x of n? X of n is samples in time domain. And what is n? Index which represents samples in time domain. And what is n? N is number of points or number of samples. Okay, again, from where did we get this equation? In frequency domain sampling, what was the equation we had? X of n is equal to 1 by n summation x of 2 pi by n into k. So where k is varying from 0 to n minus 1 e power j 2 pi by n into kn, right? So I forgot to put the range of n. So here n is varying from where to where? 0 to n minus 1. Okay, in DFT equation k is varying from 0 to n minus 1. Here n is varying from 0 to n minus 1. So both n and k are varying from 0 to n minus 1. So this is about IDFT equation.